I had progressively gotten worse over the last 10 or 12 years, where my walking was harder and my leg would give way sometimes and a lot of pain, and I was limping. And I went to my normal regular doctor, and he did some x-rays and came out with tears in his eyes, and he goes, "You have really bad arthritis in both your hips." I grew hopeless. So you kind of go, I know there's got to be somebody who will listen to me and take me seriously, that I'm in pain and I need help. Come in.
Hey.
Hey, how are you doing?
How are you? How you doing?
Good. And so my daughter mentioned it to a lady at her church, and the lady said, "Well, Nathan Haile goes to our church, and he is a fabulous hip specialist. He heard me. He saw me for who I was." From the moment I came in to the office, the nurse was that way, he was that way, and I've had both hips done, and it's bolstered my will to live.
Wow.
I'll see you in a couple months, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, my recovery's been phenomenal. I'm telling you, I was up and walked. I walked on that leg probably 8 hours after the surgery. I walked on that leg, and that was 3 weeks before I had the left one done. And with the left one, I think I got out of the recovery room at 11 a.m. and then at 2 p.m. I was up and I was walking down the hall. I would recommend him to anybody who would ask me. I could not give anyone a higher recommendation than I would give him, as being compassionate and talented and gifted and caring and concerned, and he's more than just qualified. He's got the heart of a caregiver. He's got the heart that you want a doctor to have.